Okay, quick video here, guys. I just got a comment in my comment section saying I hung the flag wrong. Said I need to put the flag on the left side, but I looked at a lot of my other studios that's in the same area, and the only difference is with this flag is it's turned that way. So the blue and the stars are on that side, but the tag is on the back end of this flag. And so I assume when you're dropping flags this direction, you're gonna lay it down, and so then when you bring it up, you bring it up flat. If you have it turned the other way, you're doing it kind of inside out, and you got to like turn it and then turn it to where it's facing the proper direction. But I did do some research on this, and this is within the military. They say they only do the flag that faces to the right. I don't know if this is the right direction or the wrong direction. No one has ever taught me this, and I'm kind of embarrassed to, bring this to, my attention. But I had to look up even the Korean flag, because I did, with my old school, I had smaller flags that I hung up properly that were, like a 2x2 square, but these are bigger, and I'm just dropping them down. So I'm confused. If you guys have, tell me how to hang the flags correctly, so I don't look like a total noob at this. So that's all I got, guys. Comment down below, and please tell me how this works for me. Okay. All right. Train hard, train smart. See you in the next one.